Welcome to this technical guide on the Dell Inspiron P112F. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dell Inspiron P112F won't turn on, it could be due to various issues such as a faulty power supply, a dead battery, or internal hardware failures. Ignoring this problem can lead to further complications, making the repair more difficult and costly. Let's dive into the tools you'll need for this repair. You'll require a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, a replacement power supply if necessary, and an anti-static wrist strap to protect your components from static electricity. To begin the repair, first, ensure your laptop is completely powered off and unplugged. Place it on a flat surface. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws on the back panel. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. After opening the laptop, locate the power connector. This is often near the battery or the motherboard. If the power connector appears burnt or damaged, this is likely the culprit. To replace it, carefully disconnect any attached cables. Remember to note where each cable goes for reassembly. Next, remove the screws holding the power connector in place. Apply gentle pressure to lift it out. When inserting the new power connector, ensure it sits snugly in place. Reconnect the cables as per your notes and ensure they are securely attached. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, replace the back panel by aligning it properly and securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Finally, plug in your laptop and try to power it on. If it turns on successfully, congratulations on completing the repair. To prevent this issue from occurring again, regularly check your power supply for any signs of wear and tear, avoid overloading your device with too many applications, and ensure your laptop is kept in a cool, dry environment. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.